What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Laundromat coming at you with another scouting video. Where we at? South Carolina. Y'all don't, come on now, y'all know. This is a laundromat channel. So we got to go around the laundromats to see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong. How we can improve ours, what we can learn from theirs, and the information that we can get. So y'all see I got the Ray-Bans on because I don't like people all up in my business knowing I'm recording, but I'm gonna go from the GoPro to the Ray-Bans. But before we start, what we see, nice little lit location. We got the wash, dry, fold Wednesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5. This is a 24-hour location. It's inside of a plaza. It's called the Coin Laundry, and it's air conditioned. They let us know that, so that's good. They got nice lights on outside. Wash, dry, fold service, This is the laundromat. So let's go on in here. Let's see some prices. Let's compare prices in South Carolina. That's where we at. We going around the country. I try to tell y'all what we doing. We building up laundromats around the world. And in order to understand laundromat business, we got to go to what? A freaking laundromat business. In order to understand if they make money, how they make money, how to produce them, how to make them better, you got to go inside of them. You got to visit them. You got to see what type of equipment they have. You got to see if any equipment broke, and you got to see where holes is in the industry. So stand by. I'm going in. I'll be back.